Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Scan and QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Lupopo 1. I'm joined by friend Brother Kamabanu Pumawupi.
Festival why ukhuluma lapha nje? Visa kahle isikondoda.
Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Lupopo 1.
Anguzwa Stibo.
Mamelodi Sundowns Lupopo 1.
Awusoyeke mfo. Westibo. Na inkunzi bafo. Na inkunzi. Le thina siyona insango asibhenywa bafo. La siyamginqa umuntu simlahla phansi thina. Akuyona insango asibhenywa thina.
Asithi Pirates.
Uyezwa Stibo?
Asithi Pirates.
Siyabonga Stibo mfo. Abantu bayasazi all over South Africa, all over Africa ngenxa yakho bafo. Siyabonga Stibo. Umsebenzi eniwenzayo, mafans wethu, bafethu siyabonga kakhulu. Kubekani bafethu lenza umsebenzi oright. Kodwa ngithi kuwe na inkunzi. Na inkunzi bafo. Na inkunzi. Asiyona insango asibhenywa thina.
Janga Pirates.
Jabo fo. Asibonga bafethu.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?